So this is a new program that we're launching for 2027 and we're very excited about. And it's a 4-year integrated undergraduate master's, which means that students will study with us for 4 years and emerge with a level 7 master's level qualification. The program will consider all aspects of the pharmaceutical sciences, so all aspects of medicine's development and of designing drugs and the regulatory process for getting drugs onto the market and monitoring drugs after release. As you'd expect, the course will start with fundamentals of chemistry and pharmacology and pharmaceutical technology as relevant to the pharmaceutical sciences. And in addition, in year 1, students will learn about how healthcare systems work and how medicines are funded, as well as learning some fundamentals in mathematics and statistics and computer science. And the 3 core topics of medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical technology or pharmaceutics, and pharmacology will run all the way through years 1, 2, and 3, such that at the end of year 3, students will be learning about the most cutting-edge medicines available on the market from our leading researchers working in that area. Alongside those topics, students will also study artificial intelligence and machine learning, crucial skills for the future workplace. And they will learn about the regulation of medicine, so that the law of medicines and what do I have to do if I want to release a medicine on the market. And they'll learn about industrial perspectives and how medicine's development works in industry, in addition to undertaking a substantial research component of the program. In year 3 is when you really begin to develop your research skills. So you'll do practical classes in years 1 and 2, and in year 3 you'll start to move towards independent research work. So first of all, through a module called Research Skills, which will provide you with fundamental skills in terms of, for instance, designing a hypothesis and testing that hypothesis, planning a project, engaging with the literature and reviewing with a critical eye to make sure that you're getting accurate information. And also in year 3, you'll undertake an advanced investigative project, which is where students will choose what they want to do, and they will work with an academic in the School of Pharmacy or maybe in another UCL department working in a similar area, where they will undertake a detailed literature review of the field in order to identify areas for future investigation. And in year 4, students will have a year-long research project where they will build on what they've done in year 3. So the idea is that in the advanced investigative project, students review the background, the literature in the field, and working with their supervisor, they develop a hypothesis, a thing that they can test. And in year 4, they'll move on and they will test that hypothesis. And that might be a lab-based project, it could be a computational project, a dry lab project, or it could be a mixture of the 2 things, depending on what students are interested in. And our idea is that all of our students will graduate comfortable both with what you might call traditional research, I suppose, as in going in the lab and making things, but also with computational aspects and dry lab research.